Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to solve an equation that has parentheses in it, like the ones that you see here. And I'm actually going to show you how to solve it two different ways. So, the first way, I always like to draw a line at the equal sign to divide the equation into two halves, the left side and the right side, so that I can remember whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other to keep the equation balanced. So remember, our goal is to isolate the variable or to get x by itself. So we want x to be left all alone over here on the left. We want this 3 to go away, we want the 2 to go away, and we want this minus 1 to go away. The 3 being squished up next to the parentheses here shows that it's multiplication. So if I use the opposite operation of that, what I could do is divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. That means these 3's will cancel out, and now I'm getting closer to getting x by itself on the left. So now over here I have 2x minus 1 equals, and then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay? Now I'm still trying to get x by itself, so I have the 2 that I need to get rid of, and I have this minus 1 that I need to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of the minus 1 first, and I'm going to use the inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Okay, that helps me because now these 1's cancel out. So a negative 1 and a positive 1 is 0. So cancel out. We have 2x equals, and then we're going to do our 5 plus 1 here, which is 6. Alright. We just have one more step. I got to get rid of this 2. Since the 2 and the x are squished together with no symbol in between, that means it's multiplication. So I need to do the inverse of that, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That helps us because now these 2's cancel out, and I end up with x equals 3. So there's my final answer, my value of x that I found. Perfect. But I wanted to show you how to do it a different way too, using the distributive property, which you might remember from last year. The distributive property is where you actually multiply this 3 by the terms that are inside the parentheses. And a lot of times we show that multiplication using arrows. So I draw an arrow from the 3 to the 2x. That's 3 times 2x. That gets us 6x. And then I draw an arrow from the 3 to the negative 1. That's like saying 3 times negative 1. That gets us negative 3. And then it still equals 15. Okay? So now we got to get rid of the 6, and we got to get rid of this minus 3 in order to get the x by itself. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides to try to get rid of that minus 3. So plus 3 over here. These 3's are gone. So now we still have our 6x on the left side there, and then we have 15 plus 3, which is 18. Okay? We almost have x by itself. We just need to get rid of this 6, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. These 6's cross out, they cancel out, so we get x equals 3. And look, we got the same answer. I want to know what you guys think. Do you like one method over the other? Do you think both methods are equally good, or is there one that you're more comfortable with? It actually doesn't matter which one you use, but for the assignment you're going to do today, I'm going to have you try to solve an equation using both of the methods just like I did here. As always, email me if you have any trouble. Bye guys.